Ouch.
Alright, every channel you've seen on YouTube has showed you how to repair a tyre, but we might as well do it as well. So what do you want to do? Get a good caravan jack, which we actually had on hand. Jack it up and remove the tyre, or remove the wheel. Now, see this here? I believe that's the culprit, because generally tyres won't come with pop rivets in them. So I'm going to remove that. And as you can hear that little, that's a telltale sign that that's where your leak's coming from. So, little pop rivet. Now, come this way, Cat. This is our basic tyre repair kit. You can pick these up from like Super Cheap, Repco, all of them. You need this little, this is called a reamer. And you need to ream it out. So, you come over to your hole. Oh, this might even be too small for this. And sometimes you got to make the hole bigger. It's a bit of work, but that's because it was such a small pop rivet. So there you go. That tool's in the tyre now, and you just want to work it. Just work it to sort of stretch out the hole. So the reason it needs to be this big is because this is how big the plugs are. So, bigger hole now. What you want to do is grab your little sticky strip. That gets threaded through here. And that's just basically rubber with a whole heap of goop on it. So you pull that through to about the middle of your spike, and then what you want to do is you want to push that into the hole. It does take a fair bit of force. And there you go. Let's push right down. Oh, Sadie, you right? Just be careful, okay? Okay. So seeing that's pushed right down, all you do then is pull it out and it leaves your tag in there. And then you can go and cut that off. And then, once I've done that, I'll come back and show you how to check, make sure it's not leaking anymore. Pump some pressure back in. Probably put up to around, I'll put up to 35 because that's what pressure we're going to run down this track anyway. Let's have a look now. 13. Oh yeah, that's it there. That's all cut off and everything. You don't need to cut it right down to the bottom. It'll just wear with the tyre, you know, like if it lasts that long. It should. I did a puncture repair on my work trailer and we actually got about 30,000 Ks out of it. It actually had 2 puncture repairs in it. So they do a good job. So we're at £25 now. But yeah, so we usually carry just a basic toolkit. I'll show you through that in a second. And just that puncture repair kit, that one doesn't require putting your own glue on it. They're all pre-glued and everything, so it's actually a really good kit. And it's got something like 100 puncture repairs in it, so more than what we'll ever need. We're at 32 now. There you go, 34.5 pound. Take that out, chuck that over there for a second, and you just want to get anything that's going to bubble if it's got air. So I've got a bit of Windex here. Spray the leak, and as you can see, no bubbles. Because what that'll do is, if that's got any air pushing through, it'll actually, you know, spit and bubble up there, so that's textbook repair. But yeah, I mean, it's good to be prepared. We did have someone just stop then and ask if we're all good because he saw the jack under it and everything. So yeah, so we've got this tyre kit. This is from Super Cheap, I think it's like a tool, maybe Tool Pro or something like that. And my basic tool kit is the King Chrome. You get these on special every now and again at Bunnings. It's the King Chrome one. So what's that, 108, 58 piece metric tool kit, and it's bloody awesome. It's got everything you'd need in it. So yeah, I'm gonna go and fit that back on the van and we should be good to hit the road. Fingers crossed. Phew.